Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app. To know how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app, you should just go to settings. After that, you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of SoundCloud, and you will click. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Force Stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.